So today we're going to learn about print functions. In this print functions, the challenge asks us to basically take the input as and convert it to integer right here, and then that number will be iterate through either using while loop, for loop, or any loops that we can use, and generate numbers between 1 and the given number, right? So that's the number that those numbers that we have to print, right? So let's first, in this case, I'll go with the for loop. So for I in range, so length, not length, n, and then let's generate the number here, print I. Okay, so that will be the number that how we're going to generate. So it will be started from 0, so that means we can in right here say that we want to start it from 1. Right, let's go ahead and print that. Okay, so it go until 2. That means we need to increment this right here. So plus 1, that will include it. So 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so wrong answer. So I want this, right? So in this case, we can do something like this. N equal something like this, right? So it will just give us 1, 2, 3, or we can say that we can concatenate inside to a string. But in this case, this one is work, so we'll just go ahead with this solutions right here. Okay, so that's it for our okay, we still have to submit the code and it work for all the cases. So that's it for our print functions.